Hello folks and welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking to you a bit about comparison operators. I've got a class, I've got two variables, both integers, so let's get started. Now to show you this we're going to need to have an if statement. This is the outline, we'll fill the rest in later, and then we type system out dot print line and then open brackets and speech marks, and we found it. So if it works properly, we say we found it. So now we're ready to go. So what would happen if I wanted to test if A is the same as or equal to B? Well, in here I just type A, and then for Java you have to use two equal signs to say are they equal to each other. Use one, it will object and become very antisocial. So nope, use two, everything else works. So if I run this program now, nothing will happen. If though I make A equal to B and then run it, we found it. It's done it, it's got it. Okay, so next one. What happens if I want to ask, is A greater than B? So first I have to change those around a bit so they actually work. And now I simply put a greater than sign in there. And now if I run it, is A greater than B? Yes it is. What happens if I want to say greater than or equals to? Well, greater than or equals to. Now I press play. And we've got it. Let's test that though. Let's say B is 6. Press play and yep, it still works perfectly. Less than and less than equals to is exactly the same, so I'm not going to bother showing you those. But the last one is saying what happens if these two variables are not equal to each other. Say they've got to be different numbers. What do I type in then? Well, first I'm going to make them different to each other, and then all we do for this, guys, is an exclamation mark and an equal sign. So now if I try and run it, we found it. If I make them the same, it won't work. You see? So there we are, guys. Today we've talked about greater than, less than, equals to, greater than equals to, less than equals to, and of course not equal to. Those are the main comparison operators you're going to need in Java. So thank you very much for listening and see you again soon.